Hey guys, so it is the day of Great Watch. I'm so excited. So I'll update you guys when I'm about to get dressed and stuff and eat breakfast, one of those things. Because right now it's like 6 something. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm still in bed. I was watching some videos of editing. You can hear I'm still tired, but I don't get how I woke up at 6 without setting my alarm. That's kind of good. This thing makes me look less tired. I was in a good mood last night, so of course I'm gonna sleep like this instead of like